The Affordable Care Act may be confusing for people trying to sign up for insurance and for people who aren't sure if they need to sign up. Tonight, the United Way of Greater Lafayette worked to answer any questions there may be about the law. News 18's Brittany Tyner was at a forum with panelists available to answer questions about the ACA. Brittany, what were people wanting to know?
Well, Dan, overall, people wanted to know how it was going to affect them and what they needed to do. But I talked to one woman who says she came out of the forum with a better understanding of the Affordable Care Act.
The questions just kept rolling in as nearly 25 people gathered to learn more about the Affordable Care Act. Leslie Morgan was one of them. She says she got a lot out of the forum focused on the ACA.
I am covered by a large group insurance, so I know it's not going to impact me as much. I have a 26-year-old son, and I would like to find him some insurance because he's only working part-time.
Panelists from Riggs Community Health Center and insurance providers answered the questions in a forum that was hosted by United Way of Greater Lafayette and AFL-CIO Community Services. Mindy Anderson-Wallace with insurance provider Employee Benefit Solutions of Indiana says many people are confused and think that the ACA is already done with and everybody is safe. She says everybody needs to ask themselves, is this something I need to sign up for?
If you're an individual who doesn't have insurance, you are going to be subject to a penalty next year if you do not purchase insurance, whether it's through your employer or individual basis in an exchange or out of an exchange. So either way, you need to ask the question.
Anderson Wallace says one thing she wanted people to walk away with Wednesday night was that they need to know their doctors and healthcare providers before they select a plan on the marketplace. She explained that you may save $40 a month on one plan, but only have access to hospitals several miles and counties away.
I think there's been so much misinformation or misleading. It's been so politicized that people don't look past that to see what really it might or might not do for them.
ACA navigator Brittany Lovejoy Haynes with Riggs told me tonight that the #1 question she gets, how much is health insurance going to cost? She doesn't like to give a definite answer because it varies and prices depend on age and family size. For people in Tippecanoe County, there will be 28 plans offered by 3 agencies. She says the website for the marketplace should be fully functioning by the end of November. Some important dates to pass along. December 15th is the deadline to apply and select a plan. Then you have to pay a monthly premium by December 31st. If you meet those 2 deadlines, coverage will begin on January 1st. Open enrollment ends on March 31st. Brittany Tyner, News 18.